In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok login issues easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, it will take you directly into this page. You will find all the apps right here. Scroll until you find TikTok and then click on it. Now you have to click on this option here to stop the app from running, and then go to the internal storage, click on this clear cache, and then click on clear data and click read this and then click on delete. Go back and then click on this power usage details and disable the power consumption alert. Go back and now you have to go into the Play Store, search for TikTok and make sure to update it into the latest version, and you can do the same thing on the iPhone iOS. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.